The question: 1. When passing a large vehicle, the driver of a small vehicle must be prepared for 1. Loud noises, 2. Excess air pollution, 3. Wind gusts produced by the large vehicle, 4. Falling vehicle parts. The correct answer is 3. Large vehicles can cause wind gusts with a force great enough to cause direction changes in smaller vehicles. Drivers of small vehicles should be prepared to take proper corrective steering action when approaching or passing large vehicles that are moving at or near maximum speeds. The question: 2. At an intersection, a signal showing a green arrow and a red light means 1. You may safely turn in the direction of the arrow. 2. Stop, then proceed straight through the intersection. 3. Stop, even if turning in the direction of the green arrow. 4. All traffic must turn in the direction of the arrow. The correct answer is 1. A green arrow means that you can safely turn in the direction of the arrow. If other vehicles or pedestrians are already in the intersection, you must yield the right-of-way before turning. The question 3. If a collision involves a parked vehicle, you need to 1. Stay at the scene until the owner returns. 2. Try to find the owner of the vehicle, or leave a note that tells the owner how to reach you and the time and date of the collision. 3. Leave your name and address with the nearest county courthouse. 4. Call a tow truck and have the vehicle towed away. The correct answer is 2. If involved in a collision with a parked vehicle, you must try to locate the owner. If you cannot find the owner, leave a note in a visible place with information on how the owner can reach you and the date and time of the collision. The question 4. This sign is used to warn drivers: 1. That the right lane ends and traffic should merge left. 2. That the road curves ahead. 3. About upcoming intersections. 4. About road construction. The correct answer is 1. This sign indicates that the right lane on a multi-lane roadway ends ahead. Traffic in the right lane must merge left. The question 5. When two vehicles enter an intersection from different highways at the same time, which vehicle must yield the right-of-way? 1. Either one. 2. The vehicle on the left. 3. The vehicle on the right. 4. Neither. The correct answer is 2. At intersections that are controlled by signs or signals, and at intersections that are uncontrolled, the driver on the left must yield the right-of-way to the driver on the right when two vehicles arrive to the intersection at the same time. A question 6. When a two-way roadway has a shared center lane, you can 1. Use it to pass. 2. Use the lane as a regular driving lane during rush hour. 3. Drive in the lane as far as necessary, as long as you're turning left. 4. Drive in the lane for no more than 300 feet before turning left. The correct answer is 4. A shared center lane may not be used for passing or for travel of farther than 300 feet. Drivers should use these lanes to safely turn left from a multi-lane roadway. The question 7. This sign means 1. Curves ahead. 2. Divided highway starts. 3. Divided highway ends. 4. Bumps in the road. The correct answer is 3. This sign warns drivers that the divided highway ends ahead. The question 8. A first conviction for driving under the influence of alcohol or any drug can result in license suspension for at least some, if you refuse to take a breath test. 1. 30 days. 2. 90 days. 3. 1 year. 4. 2 years. The correct answer is 3. If you are arrested for driving while impaired for the first time in 7 years, your license will be suspended for 90 days. If it is your first arrest and you refuse to take a breath test, your license will be revoked for 1 year. The question. 9. When driving in bad weather, drivers should 1. Increase their speed to reach their final destination more quickly. 2. Decrease their following distance. 3. Increase their following distance. 4. None of the above. The correct answer is 3. When driving on wet roads, drivers should increase their following distance. The question. 10. When you hear a fire engine siren behind you, you must 1. Slow down until it passes you. 2. Drive with your flashers on. 3. Pull over to the side of the road and stop. 4. Speed up and take the nearest exit. The correct answer is 3. When you hear the siren of an emergency vehicle, you must pull over to the curb or side of the road and stop. The question. 11. When approaching a traffic signal displaying a steady yellow arrow, drivers 1. Should merge into a lane in the direction of the arrow. 2. Should slow to a stop if it is safe to do so. 3. May turn left after yielding to oncoming traffic and pedestrians. 4. Have the right as way and may expect oncoming traffic to stop for them. The correct answer is 2. A steady yellow arrow indicates that a red arrow is about to appear. Stop unless you are already within the intersection. The question. 12. A solid white line on the right edge of the highway slants in to the left. That shows that 1. There is an intersection just ahead. 2. You are approaching a construction area. 3. You will be required to turn left just ahead. 4. The road will get narrower. The correct answer is 4. A solid line along the side of the road indicates where its edge is, marking the boundary between the travel lane and the shoulder. If the edge line angles toward the center of the road, this means that the road is narrower ahead. The question. 13. Allowing a space cushion between your vehicle and its surroundings is important because it 1. Prevents distractions from other vehicles. 2. Allows you time to react to unexpected situations. 3. Keeps traffic flowing at a safe pace. 4. Keeps other drivers alert. The correct answer is 2. The only way to be sure you will have enough time to react to mistakes made by other drivers is to leave plenty of space between you and the vehicles around you. The question. 14. Roads become very slippery. 1. When it has been raining for an hour or more. 2. The day after it rains. 3. For the first 10 to 15 minutes of a rainstorm. 4. Right after the rain has stopped. The correct answer is 3. Pavement can become very slippery within the first 10 to 15 minutes of a rainstorm because the rain causes oil in the asphalt to rise to the surface of the road. This problem becomes even worse in hot weather. The heat combined with the water causes more oil to rise to the road surface. The question. 15. When in a travel lane on the roadway, 1. You may stop to drop off passengers. 2. You may stop to look up an address. 3. You may make a U-turn or back up if you get on the wrong entrance ramp of the freeway. 4. Don't stop for any reason. Keep moving until you can safely pull off the road. The correct answer is 4. You should not stop in a travel lane for any reason. Instead, keep moving until you can safely pull off of the road. If you miss your turn or exit, do not back up. Go to the next turn or exit or where you can safely turn around. The question. 16. If you're going to turn left onto a one-way street, you should complete the turn into 1. The right lane. 2. The lane closest to your previous lane. 3. Either lane. 4. Neither lane. The correct answer is 2. You should always turn from the lane that is closest to the direction you want to go. Turn into the lane closest to your previous lane. The question 17. A driver entering public traffic from a driveway or private road, 1. Has the right of way. 2. Should yield to drivers already on the public road. 3. May force their way into traffic. 4. Can assume that other drivers will change lanes to make room. The correct answer is 2. If you are entering traffic from a driveway or private road, you should yield to drivers already on the public road. Merge safely into traffic when you are able to do so. The question 18. This sign means 1. All traffic must turn. 2. Turn right at the intersection. 3. Parking area ahead. 4. Crossroad ahead. Watch for traffic. The correct answer is 4. This sign warns of the presence of a crossroad ahead. The question 19. When driving in fog, 1. Use your parking lights. 2. Use your low beams. 3. Use your high beams. 4. It makes no difference which lights you use. The correct answer is 2. You should use low beam headlights when driving in fog, rain, or snow. The question 20. Motorcycles are entitled to 1. The bicycle lane. 2. The same full lane width as other motor vehicles. 3. Half the width of a lane. 4. The width of the sidewalk. The correct answer is 2. Lane usage for the motorcyclist is critical. Motorcycles are entitled to the same full lane width as all other vehicles. The question 21. This sign means 1. No right turn. 2. Keep right. 3. No U-turn. 4. Left lane must turn left. The correct answer is 1. Regulation signs regulate traffic speed and movement, displaying rules which drivers must obey. This regulation sign means that right turns are prohibited. The question 22. Which of the following influences the effects of alcohol? 1. The amount of food in the stomach. 2. The body weight of an individual. 3. How much time passes between drinks. 4. All 3 choices. The correct answer is 4. Your blood alcohol content, BAC, depends on how much alcohol you drink, how much time passes between drinks, and your weight. Eating before or while you drink helps slow the absorption of alcohol somewhat, but it cannot prevent intoxication or impairment if you have too much to drink. The question 23. This sign means 1. Watch for trucks. 2. Do not pass trucks. 3. Truck parking area ahead. 4. Steep downgrade ahead. The correct answer is 4. This sign warns of the presence of a hill ahead. The question 24. While backing, you should 1. Rely only on your mirrors. 2. Flash your lights. 3. Open your door to see if it is safe to proceed. 4. Turn your head and look through the rear window. The correct answer is 4. When intending to back up, always check behind your vehicle before getting in. Children and small objects are difficult to see from the driver's seat. While backing, turn your head so you can see through the rear window. Do not depend only on your mirrors or sensors. The question 25. What does this road sign mean? 1. Slow down and prepare to stop if cars are approaching you. 2. Come to a full stop and go when it is safe to do so. 3. Proceed carefully through the intersection, not always stopping. 4. Stop only for traffic on an intersecting road. The correct answer is 2. A stop sign means that you must come to a full stop and yield the right of way to vehicles and pedestrians in or heading toward the intersection. Go again when it is safe.